Oh, look what I got in the mail. This is so cute. The box is actually decorated. Okay, so the box is open. And you will see a specialized note. Oh, Joyce. This is so beautiful. Look at this. This is so top notch. This is, oh look. There's another special thank you note. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is very, very beautiful. Let's look at this. Okay. Woo, woo. What is this? Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, so look at this. It's a book. It's a book, and you know me, AJ will read it. Sweet pea. Okay. Okay. Now look at this. Some shirts. Uh-oh, this is some shirts. And this is for my daughter. Look at this. That's beautiful. One has a rainbow, and one is playing with little children. Look, she even got coloring books. No way. This is so cute. And I love how she have the different background, different culture. Look at this. It comes with crayons, the best. Now let's see here. What do we have here? Oh, I think this is what the letter was saying thank you for. Yeah, don't forget. Okay. Look at this. Hair mask. I need that because I have not been taking care of my hair lately, and it's so well packaged. Very well packaged. This is called Astonished. Let me see if I can see that. And it gives the ingredients and everything. Okay. This is the whole shebang. Oh, she even like labeled it. So if you hear the noise in the background, that's my daughter. And body butter. Ooh, I know I would love this. So I will give my honest reviews on these products. Thank you so much. Look at all of this. Wow.